Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started. I'm gonna start out with doing my brows. This is the Essence Brow Pencil in Brown 02. Alright guys, so how I like to do my eyebrows is I like starting in the middle of my brow, moving my way down to my tail, outlining it, and then moving to the front end of my eyebrow, underlining that, and then I fill it in. And I do the same thing to the other brow. My brows are different. Everybody's brows are different. So I just try to make them as even looking as possible. Brows, I am using the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara in Browny Brows. So I just go in with a spoolie real quick to remove any excess gel mascara that might be on my brows. Alright, once we have the brows done, I am going to prime my face with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. We let that sit on our face for a bit. I am using the Essence eyeshadow base to prep my eyes for eyeshadow. Alright, I zoomed you guys in a bit. Hopefully it works out. But today, to do my eyeshadow look, we are using the Nubian palette by Juvias, please. Let me turn it this way, this color right here. With a fluffy brush. I will be applying this shade in my crease and building up the color. Second shade I am taking is this one with this brush. Doing the same thing with this shade, I'm just building it up on my crease and my outer V to the intensity that I want it. Picking up a little bit of that shade, the first shade we used on our crease, and blending the edges of the second shade out. With this brush, I am taking this shade right here and putting that in my outer corner. Little by little, building this color up. Okay, going in with this color again. And we're using this shade to blend out the dark shade we just applied to the outer V of our eye. A flat brush, and with this shade first. My brush is not wet at all. And then on top of that, I am going with this shade right here. With this shade, I'm going in with this shade. Going in with this brush again with no extra product. Going in with that dark shade again. Going in with this brush again. Going in with this brush with no extra product and blending out the edges a bit. Going in with this shade. Applying a bit of that in this area. For eyeliner, I am using the Beige Cosmetics eyeliner pen in black. On top of that, I am using my NYC liquid liner in black, which I was able to get it before it was discontinued. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 228 and adding some of the Lottie London Selfie Ready foundation in the shade Golden and dotting that all over my face. I am taking my Mario Badescue spray and rose water and spraying that to add some hydration and moisture to my skin, and I am blending out my foundation with this flat top brush from Beige Cosmetics. To bake my face, I am using the L.A Girl Pro powder in banana, and using this sponge, I'm going to just dip it in here and go right in. My skin still feels a little bit tacky, so I am going to set it with this middle shade here. And this palette is from TJ Maxx, made by Profusion. So I'm going to just set the rest of my face with this powder. To contour, I'm just taking these two shades right here. This brush from Beige Cosmetics. To give my skin a glow, I am using this JcatBeauty Golden Soleil bronzer in Cypress Clay. Just using this as blush as well. I am using the L.A Girl Strobe Light strobing powder in 60 watt. Just applying this E.L.F baked highlight, I think, and Moonlight Pearls. Back to the eyes, I am taking my black eyeliner and putting that in my waterline. And smudging that out. Going into this palette and taking the shade here. Then taking this shade here and putting that under there as well. I am taking this shade here with this brush. Okay, it's not bright enough, so I'm going in with my L.A Girl highlight. Okay, to set my face, I am using my NYX matte setting spray. Softly press that into your skin. So this is the shade Buffy from ColourPop, and it's matte, ultra matte formula. And I really like their formula, by the way. I don't mind it. Okay, so this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see all of you guys in my next video.